How to refer a friend on Temu. Hello everyone, this is Sophia from Create Login and Lead, and in today's tutorial I'll show you the easiest way how you will be able to refer a friend on Temu. So first of all, go ahead and open your Temu app. At the bottom of the screen you will see the option of You. Tap on that. Click on the option of Earn Credits and Free Gifts. Once you are here, you will see a couple of options. You can click on any of them. Tap on the Start button and you will see the option for Invite New App Users. Click on that. And you will be led to this type of interface. You can tap off any of this platform and refer a friend. You can tap on Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, etc. Or you can also tap on copy code and copy the code further and send it to your friend. Or you can also tap on copy link and share it with your friends. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can refer a friend on Temu. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and happy shopping!